We are test driving Peugeot Boxer 65 plate. This vehicle came in with EGR issues and DPF issues. Now the problems has been solved. What would you like to say about your van?
This van is it's a pleasure to drive now. I mean, the power in this van, it's like driving a new vehicle again. I've had the vehicle for 2 years and it's never ever had power like this, where you put your foot down and the vehicle actually responds and wants to take off. Not that I drive fast, but you know that if you need to, you can put your foot down and it responds straight away. And it just feels a smoother drive. The engine feels a lot quieter. It just, it's unbelievable what Errol has actually done.
You have a smile on your face.
After driving this, anyone would have a smile on their face.
Today is Friday, today is the weekend.
No.
I'm happy that you are happy, you got a smile on your face.
Yeah.
So would you say your money well spent?
Definitely.
And deserved?
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'd say I would recommend Errol straight away, no problems. Say the van is just a pleasure to drive, and even now we're coming to a hill and normally I'd be struggling. I'm in third gear and it wants to take off. So it's a pleasure to drive this vehicle, and he's done a fantastic job. I recommend
Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video, and I'd like to thank Derek, thank him for his beautiful positive feedback. We are Supreme DPF Cleaning Company located in Bromley, Kent. We are specialized on DPF, EGR, injector and turbo issues. We know what we are doing. We have an art of DPF cleaning services. You can reach us on www.supremedpfcleaning.com or 07533 636 194. Thanks for watching.